Welcome guys to my channel Cut Cook Taste. I'm here with yet another episode with amazing new recipe. Today I'm going to make Mexican style bean burgers. So for the ingredients, I have taken finely chopped onions and finely chopped tomatoes. I have taken finely chopped green chili, finely chopped coriander. This is green coriander dhania. I have taken lemon slices. With these ingredients, I am gonna make tomato salsa. Then I have here boiled grated potatoes, caramelized onion, salt, cumin powder. This is roasted cumin powder, little ketchup. Then we have here paprika powder, sriracha sauce. I might or might not use it, vegan mayo, and some burger buns. So for the patty batter, I have boiled some rajma, I have boiled some rice, and I have boiled some corn and achieved a mixture like this. I'm going to be using oats flour here. If you don't have oats flour, you can take oats and grind it into a mixer to achieve this kind of a flour. So first I'm going to make tomato salsa. I have taken the finely chopped onions and finely chopped tomatoes here. I'm gonna add green chili to it. You can put green chili as much as you like. I like it a little too spicy, so I'm putting it more. And then I have added coriander also. Then I'm gonna add some salt to it. Little paprika powder, and now I'm gonna squeeze some lemons into it. Usually people add a lot of jalapenos. You can make pineapple salsa, you can make mango salsa, anything that you like. I'm making basic tomato salsa because I'm gonna add it into the burgers, so I want to keep it simple. Now I've added around 1.5 lemon to it, and now I'm gonna mix it really well. You don't want to add too much of lemon also, because then your salsa will go watery, and I don't want my salsa to get watery, otherwise it's gonna spoil the burgers. I also like to add some ketchup to it to give that sweetness, the sour, sweet and salty taste to the salsa. Mix it nicely. Now I've taken a bowl here. I'm gonna add the mixture of rice, beans and corns into it. Then I'm gonna put my boiled mashed potatoes here. I'm gonna add some oat flour. It's gonna act as a binding agent. Now I'm gonna put some salt to it. Because I've already added salt to my rajma, rice and corn batter, I'm gonna add a little, just a little. Then I'm gonna add some roasted cumin powder and some paprika to it. Paprika you can put how much you like. Because it's Mexican, paprika is a must that you should put it. And I'm going to put some chopped coriander into it. Now I'm going to nicely mash the patty. So guys, at this stage I'm going to make my patty. I'm going to take some oil. I'm using peanut oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil or anything that you have. I'm going to make patty with this batter. So I'm going to make small patty just because my burger buns are not so big. If you have bigger burger buns, you can make bigger patties. So it totally depends on the size of your buns. I really love it because you get the protein of the rajma, and then corns are also very nice for your health. Oats is also very nice for your health. So it is a very amazing breakfast that you can make for your family. Guys, this is how my patty is looking. I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna cook them now. I have my barbecue here ready. I'm not gonna fry them or shallow fry them. I'm gonna just cook them here on this. So I'm gonna keep my patty on the top of it. And I'm gonna brush it with some oil. Now I'm gonna also side by side cut my bun. I'm putting peanut oil. You can put butter as and what you like. I'm putting peanut oil to keep it even more healthy. And I'm also keeping these buns here on this. Keep brushing your patty and turning it. I'm going to now press it a little so that it is evenly cooked and you don't feel that it's raw from inside. I'm going to brush the patty from this side as well. The dry bun, I can put it on the grill so that it gets that nice brown lines of the grill. Then I can add a little more oil to the bun as well. And my patty is becoming nice and golden brown already. See, they are not really falling apart because rice and the oat flour has given a very nice consistency to the patty. So you need not add extra ingredients, just keep it simple. So guys, my patty is done. See how golden brown and nice they look. I have given some barbecue grill marks here to give that feel of, original burger in a restaurant. Now I'll take the base bun and I'm gonna put some vegan mayo on it. If you don't like mayo, you can totally skip the step, but I love it. And this is vegan, so even healthy. Now I have this, I'm gonna put a patty on the top of it. I'm gonna put some caramelized onion on the top of the burger patty. And add some tomato salsa that we made earlier. I think I'm gonna add some sriracha as well. Little bit to give that spice and taste to the burger. And I'm gonna close it. And my burger is ready to eat. So this is how my final burger looks. Now I'm gonna taste test it for you. It is absolutely delicious. I've also put some nachos and salsa here. Too good. I think everything goes together so well. The taste of caramelized onion, the taste of vegan mayo, sriracha adds extra spice to the burger. The texture of the patty is superb. Nobody in your family will be able to tell you that you have added rice to it. Go try this recipe, it is absolutely brilliant. Like, share and subscribe my channel if you want me to keep on trying new recipes and give you my feedback.